And we're tracking breaking news off the top tonight. This Fort Wayne man, a plaintiff in the lawsuit just filed against the city of Fort Wayne and the sheriff's department, is now under arrest tonight, just hours after the ACLU filed that suit. Court documents show Taylor Crane faces charges for obstructing traffic and disorderly conduct, charges from the first weekend of protests here in the fort. He's currently being held in the Allen County Jail. Good evening, everyone. I'm Tom Powell. My partner, Linda Jackson, has the night off. Fort Wayne's NBC reporter Corinne Rose has more about that lawsuit that seeks a ban from the court on the police use of chemical agents.
The primary purpose of the lawsuit is to make sure that people can engage in First Amendment activities in Fort Wayne without fear.
Friday morning, the American Civil Liberties Union, or ACLU, filed a lawsuit against the city of Fort Wayne and the Allen County Sheriff's Department that claims breaches of the First and Fourth Amendment constitutional rights of people at the Black Lives Matter protests the weekend of May 29th and later in June. After protesters flooded into the street and some hurled water bottles, rocks, and fireworks at police, officers tossed tear gas into the crowd, fired rubber bullets, and used mace to get demonstrators to disperse. The suit was filed on behalf of 3 protesters and claims the police use of unreasonable force, including the tear gas, pepper sprays, rubber bullets, and flashbangs and shoving, created physical and emotional damage. The ACLU anticipates more plaintiffs will be added to the suit.
The Sheriff's Department, the Police Department have continued to use force to stop persons from engaging in lawful protests and have used excessive force.
The suit asks the court to award damages. It also asks the court to enter a preliminary injunction to be made permanent to stop any actions that prevent people from lawfully protesting, as well as make the city and county police departments stop using chemical agents, rubber bullets, and stun grenades.
Even if there's a situation where an unruly crowd needs to be dispersed, the Fourth Amendment that protects us from unreasonable searches and seizures requires that the force be reasonable.
A woman who didn't want to be identified supports what the police did. A man we talked to does not.
They wouldn't go home, the protesters, and they turned into something else, and they went down the street and broke a lot of windows at the Y and other places just to be stupid. I'm glad they did, because that sort of stopped people from coming, and it got rid of it fast instead of letting them take over the city.
It wasn't right. I was actually down there protesting that day as well. So, yes, I hope the lawsuit goes through and is upheld.
So you think the police weren't right in what they did?
I don't believe they gave anyone any kind of warning before they started to tear gas.
The next step is for the case to be assigned to a judge. Representatives from the city of Fort Wayne and the county said they could not comment on pending litigation. Corinne Rose, Fort Wayne's NBC.